last part I was at, I think I cut out at the car, like you heard me starting the car started going brrr. So anyway, I was like, yo, screw this. It was like 4 a.m., bro, and I had to drop my boy Kareem off at home. And it was like an hour ride, so it would have been an hour there, an hour back. So I dropped them off. And I said, I see if I can look at the car tomorrow morning because I got some stuff to do today. But I came out here, opened up the garage, I got the garage all set up. And I'm out here actually, I went to go start the car, you hear it in the background, and I don't hear no clacking no more. I don't know what happened, but it's not making that noise no more. I have an exhaust leak. That's gonna make some noise, but I don't hear the clacking. It's not doing what it was doing yesterday. So I think I'm gonna shut this shit down, close the garage up, and go take it for a spin real quick.
Yeah, just snuck in here. Yep. Welcome to Geno's garage. It's the Mute Merch Takeover though. Mute Merch Takeover though. Mute Merch Takeover though. Alright, so the boys left the shop a little messy. So probably just do a quick time lapse of cleaning this shit up. Throwing half of it in the garbage. Just why not, boy? If it ain't a bike, I don't care.
Spark that shit up, man.
Alright, shop's pretty clean right now. Got the gloves on, ready to work. Essentially what we're going to be doing today is basic tear down, taking everything off, painting what we can, tearing down straight to the frame, welding up whatever I can at the shop back home. Hopefully this goes alright. As you can see from me sweating, trying to lift that up onto the milk crate. It's a little difficult, kind of need to wait for Geno to do that. Gonna have to figure out something, maybe putting it under the swing arm for a few seconds, because lifting it up, I just can't reach my foot under to slide this under. And that's literally all I gotta do to be able to get that rear end up. So I think of an issue. A little bit of a setback, but yeah, we'll figure something out. But what has it been? 15 minutes? Almost got the full tear down already. Not bad. 8mm wrench will be taking off the case cover to get to the chain. So all these bolts got to come off, and I'll work with getting the chain off, probably popping off the rear sprocket. But I know I'm going to be doing a new chain and new rear sprockets. Eventually get the rear end apart. Just got to figure out how I'm going to jack that up, because that milk crate's about to fall apart. Here we go. Probably only took about, 2.5 hours, a couple of unnecessary trips to Harbor Freight. But it's a part, it's super lightweight. Frank's probably going to get sandblasted and painted sometime this week. Front end's getting fork seals, new stent bearings. Engine's getting the carb rebuilt and paint. And hopefully the next week or two, parts come in from 4into1.com. Unofficial sponsor, but if they want to sponsor me, it's okay. And yeah, that's it, baby. It's a wrap. Thanks to Simply Geno for the garage space.
You're...
We'll have a good one. See you guys next week.
Yeah, boy. You got it all apart. Look at the parts everywhere. I'm about to find a spot for all the parts. Yeah, let's get it, boy. Another episode at the garage, but today on this Saturday morning, I hit with the EG. It's just running good, looking good. I fixed up. I ordered the manifold like last week. Should have been here this week. I don't know what's going on because I need to get rid of that. Yo, this is leaking. This is cracked all the way around. This one is cracked too. I don't know if you can really see that right here. See that? That's cracked. It's leaking on that bolt. And then this one, you need the light, but that one's cracked right down in there. You see that? That's cracked right there too. So the only one really that's not cracked that's left is this guy right here. And that, this is, that's what I get for being buying some cheap shit. But I want one with a little better design. They have 2 tabs to support the manifold, to support the weight. So the weight, when it get hot and the metal gets soft, the weight don't drop and crack just like that. That's what happens when that shit cracks. The manifold get too soft and the weight of the turbo and everything just drop it down and it should just crack. I was trying to buy like a legit, like a nice CX Racing T25 with the, the 1mm thickness wall or something like that, something crazy. But I ordered that shit, and I ordered that shit like 3 months ago, and I still haven't gotten it. So I called them niggas up and I told them, fuck y'all niggas, send me a T3 manifold right now with a downpipe. And they was like, I'm sorry, and they're gonna send me a downpipe. I mean, they just sent me the downpipe, so they're gonna take off some money off the T3 manifold. So I'm gonna get that T3 manifold, and then we're gonna go with a nicer turbo. Over here, I got mounted up my tablet so I can have my gauges reading on the tablet instead of buying $100 gauges to fucking load the dash up where I could just read this shit right off the tablet. So bought that. I got Honda with the V3 Bluetooth, so I could just Bluetooth that shit straight to the tablet. That shit's lit. I'm gonna put that in, and then I'm gonna drain the gas tank out. When I drain the gas tank out, my plan is to go E85. So real quick, I'm gonna just tune it real quick, and that's why I'm praying the manifold comes today. Because the manifold comes today, tonight will be a lit night. Tonight will be a lit night if that manifold comes in today. E85. Hopefully I can get it tuned right. I'm gonna pick up a set of spark plugs. I'm not trying to spend too much money, so spark plugs, E85. I got my timing light. Gonna check the timing once more. Timing might be off because I did take it off at one point. So the timing might be, I'm praying the timing's off, but I'm not, well, it's close. It's very close, but the timing should be off a little bit. So put that right up spec. We make a little more power. I retarded it a little bit so I will be on the safer side when I'm boosted. That's why I did it that way. So I might not be making as much power as I might be. So I'm gonna put it back, advance it a little bit and put it back. We should be good. And yeah, let's go from there, man. See y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all. So here we are again. Right now, what is that in front of my lens? My bad. Right now, just draining the gas. I got 2 cans over here. I'm gonna take me to go pick up some E85, but I'm just draining out the can through here to my fuel gauge. I'm on my little bro. Yeah, so I'm just activating the fuel pump, doing it the laser way instead of just jacking the back of the car up. I'm just in here activating the fuel pump on Honda. I have it set to 9999, but of course it's not running that. It's more like running a full minute. So after a minute, you hear it going. It'll load up. The gauge should read 0 because he's holding it. Yo, let go of the button real quick. You see that shit go up right to 45. It's looking crazy because it's almost out of gas. All right, let go. You push the button back. It's almost empty, so we're almost there. I think to end it off, I'm gonna let the car run and kill itself. Yeah, looking at the hose, it's still going. You can see the hose right through there. Straight spun. Yeah, we sideways camera gang to a gang. So we going to get some E85. Throw it in the Civic, retune. This is partially over here. Richie's, yep, that's the name of it. They got that E85, you feel me? No, I need to start copying Zarge. That's Toys Zarge, that's not me. Let's get it, bro. $2.16 a gallon. Jeez. Alright, so that E85 was a bus. That was Richie's. They closed at 2 p.m. on Saturday. So that was a bus. So now we're on our way to somewhere a little further out east, Cormac area. If you're familiar with Long Island, we're gonna head over there and get some E85, man. So hopefully they got it. We got to stop by 7-Eleven and get some drinks. You feel me? It's a little dry out here. And you broke out the L cotton off. Damn, you can smell the gas coming out of the tune, boy. Shit stink, bro. Stink. Ban the tuner. Okay, so third gas station, Sicko, another Sicko. Last one was Richie Sicko. This one was just a regular Sicko. Hopefully they got it. Got the light. Skirt, skirt.
At this time, we're going inside.
Yeah. Thank you for having E85. Thank you. Sicko and Comac. Jeez. Alright, so after the third gas station, we are lit. Gonna drive back to the crib. Z's probably gonna wrap this Jeep and I'm gonna put my manifold on and start getting ready to tune this thing on 85, man. I'm excited. Got my boy Z out here. He been giving me a hand. Got the new manifold. Manifold came in today instead of Monday, so I'm super hyped. But if you take a look at this piece of shit, I'll show you guys where it's cracked. See that? There's a whole hole in there. Look at that. Look at that. Holes everywhere. Not only that, this is cracked too. It's cracked right here. Nice hole right there. It's taking forever to focus. More headline cracks. Sheesh, man. But we got a new one right here. We're gonna throw that in.
Alright, so we here.
I'm gonna do the sound effects after the video.
So we
Either,
had-
like
So we here throwing the E85.
copy.
One can, two can, three can, who can? Oh!
Leaking, bro. A beautiful corn.
Yeah, we ended up just taking the top off because the bitch was leaking all over the place. Say it again.
You built a fast fucking car?
Say it again.
Bro.
Nah, bro. Wow.
Oh, shit.
Corn. I know. See? Smoking never says no.
I don't smoke. Bad for you.
Nobody got shots?
Shots of what?
Henny?
I got Ciroc in the car.
Yeah, go bring
I
that.
got a little bottle of fucking Henny in the car. Well, I kind of drank the fucking bottle.
Hold on.
Yo, yeah, go bring that.
Alright, get that shit done. Let's see. Oh. We need more light. Damn, son, we need 2 angles. We need someone in the car with him while he's tuning and someone else trying to keep up.
Bad, but yeah. Hey, spark that shit up, man. No. We gon' get the blade now. I ain't blade, but I like to slay with your bitch every day. Hold up with the cake, nah, don't relate. No, we can't relate. Pussy nigga hate, all they wanna hate. Talk to me.